Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in the previous video we successfully resolved the table responsive issue that were related to the mobile view. So let me just show you an example what we did in the last video. So let's move to the mobile view. So actually we made our table right here responsive so that we can let's say scroll horizontally, vertically. Okay, and then the next thing, we changed the heading of our card so that it looks good and it doesn't break whenever we open our sidebar right here. Also we reduced the padding for the buttons right here so that once again we don't break anything. So guys, in this specific video we will move to blocks page and let's move to add block. Actually, in this specific video, we are going to resolve the form responsive issue, which is right here. So guys, this is happening because of the size of this heading right here and the padding related to button. So actually these two items can't align right here in a single line. So that's why whenever it is not able to align in the single line, the button is getting right here in the next line, and that's the reason we are breaking our form right here. So there is a simple way we can let's say resolve this issue, and let me just show you. Let's inspect this heading. So right here let's reduce the size of this heading, which is h3. So let's say font size, yeah, and let's say 20 pixel. Okay, and let's say important, just like that. Okay, and similarly we can reduce the padding, and actually in the last video we already created a class for a button. Let me show you. Let's move to custom and related to backend, this one, and right here you can see we are reducing the padding. So yeah, this would work perfectly fine. So yeah guys, let's move on, and first let's create a class for this h3 custom class. So let's create a class right here, custom h3, just like that, and font size would be 20 pixel and important, just like that. Okay, let's apply this class. So let's open the create block blade right here and let's apply this class right here. So custom h3. Okay, similarly we can simply assign the custom btn class. So let's copy this from right here and let's move to right here, just like that. Okay, let's view it in action, F5, and right here you can see we successfully reduced the size of the heading and the button padding. So guys, let's move to our next task. You can see the form is pretty good right now, but actually we need to reduce the issue related to Slect2. So let's move here and let's inspect what's happening right here. So Slect2, okay, border, nothing related. Okay, right here, so we are defining a custom width, sorry, not a custom width, but this Slect2 has a specific width for all the views. So in this case we need to fix this, and we can simply use this class Slect2 right here. So let's move right here. Once again I'm going to create a class in the media screen query whenever I'm in between these two widths. So what you need to do is we will define right here select 2, and which should be, let's say, 100% important. Okay, just like that. Yeah, let's do a refresh right here, and yes, now I think it's fine. Right here you can see. So yeah, we have successfully resolved the issue that was related to actually the heading, the button, and the Slect2 itself. Guys, we need to do the same for the added block. Let's move to block page. Let me show you first. So let's scroll to any specific block. Let's do edit. Okay, now let's open this side navigation, and right here you can see. So let's open this edit block, added block blade right here. Now we can simply assign the classes, and that's it. Custom h3, and for the button custom btn, just like that. Okay, let's do a refresh. We don't need to do anything for the Slect2 because we were not defining a class for the Slect2, but we were defining the css, okay, in the media query. So yeah, now it looks fine. Right here you can see. Okay, so guys, since we have changed the h3 for the mobile view, we need to implement the same change for each and every page. You can see right here the difference between the difference between the h3 right here and right here, sorry, on the add block page right here you can see as well, and this one. So yeah, for that what we can do is we simply need to move to each of the pages or blade, and we can do that. Okay, so let's move to resources, views, backend, and first move to awaiting. Let me show you right here, custom h3. That's it. I don't need to define the button. So let's move and navigate to the awaiting block, this one. Right here you can see the size. Let me show you with the inspect tool, and right here you can see. Okay, so we have successfully implemented the change. Now what we need to do is we need to follow the same for the remaining pages, and that's it. h3, okay, and button class, sorry, h6 class is there and button class is there, so we don't need to do anything else. So custom h3, okay, cms, once again for the cms I need custom h3, okay, and right here we have already done that. So let's move to dashboard. Right here let's define the custom h3, okay, added block we already done that, message, so custom h3, okay, profile, yeah, I need it on profile as well. Say it doesn't matter if it's on the sidebar or no, but we need to follow the same convention for font size for the for all of the website, like the each of the page. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, custom h3 tags, custom h3, and let's move to user right here as well, custom h3. Now let me just show you that we have successfully done that for each and every page. Let's move to contact page. Okay, you can see the size right here. Let me show you with the inspect tool once again, this one, correct. Let's move to tags, and right here you can see. Okay, so yeah guys, it's working fine. Now one more thing that I have noticed right here is that we don't have an HR for tags, blogs, awaiting approval, and contact message. So let's fix that as well. Let me just close all these pages, and right here, okay, yeah, let's move to layout, and let's move to sidebar. So this is the divider. Let's copy this, and actually this divider is not working, so let's remove that. Let's align it. Okay, we need to replace this one as well. So yeah, just like that, just like that, and this one, the last one. Okay, let's align this. Okay, let's view it in action, refresh. Let's open the side navigation, and right here you can see, so it's working fine now. Okay, let's do a refresh, and right here we have our HR in places. So yeah, now everything looks fine. So guys, that's it from this specific video, and in the next video we are going to do the same procedure for the user panel. If you remember, we have a separate layout for a user panel. So yeah guys, we need to follow the same procedure. We have the classes. All we need to do is just copy and paste the classes in that one and apply the classes. That's it. So yeah guys, that's it from this specific video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Take care. And yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.